Hi everyone, welcome back to Bike Scout. Today, we're reviewing a commuter bike that's known for its solid reliability, fuel efficiency, and simple design, the 2025 TVS Radeon. If you're looking for a budget-friendly motorcycle that can handle daily rides with ease and comfort, then the Radeon should be on your radar. TVS has carved a strong name for itself in the commuter bike segment, and the Radeon stands out as one of their most practical offerings. Since its launch, this bike has been a favorite among daily commuters, especially for its rugged build, comfortable ride quality, and excellent mileage. The 2025 model carries forward all these strengths while offering subtle upgrades that improve the overall experience. Let's start with the design. The 2025 TVS Radeon retains its classic commuter styling with a few tweaks for a fresher look. It features a muscular tank with rubber thigh pads for better grip, a chrome-finished exhaust, and premium touches like chrome bezels on the headlamp and rear-view mirrors. The tank now has new graphics, and the bike is available in multiple color options such as royal purple, metal black, titanium gray, and volcano red, all giving it a smart and durable appearance. At the front, you get a halogen headlamp with LED DRLs integrated into the visor, which helps with visibility and adds a touch of modern appeal. The fit and finish of the panels are tight, and the bike feels well built despite being in the entry-level price segment. Under the tank, the Radeon is powered by a 109.7cc single-cylinder, air-cooled engine that produces around 8.2 bhp at 7,350 RPM and 8.7 Nm of torque at 4,500 revolutions per minute. It's mated to a 4-speed gearbox that shifts smoothly and is tuned for city-friendly performance. While this engine won't break any speed records, it's incredibly fuel-efficient and ideal for everyday use. In fact, the Radeon is well known for its impressive mileage, delivering around 65 to 70 kilometers per liter in real-world conditions, depending on riding style and road conditions. For those doing daily runs to work or college, this can mean serious savings in fuel over time. One of the biggest highlights of the TVS Radeon is its comfort. The seat is long, wide, and well cushioned, perfect for both rider and pillion. The suspension setup includes telescopic front forks and 5-step adjustable hydraulic shocks at the rear. This combo provides a plush ride even over bad roads or speed breakers. The riding position is upright and relaxed, with a well-placed handlebar and forward-set foot pegs. It feels easy to handle in traffic thanks to its lightweight chassis and nimble character. The Radeon also features a good ground clearance of 180 millimeters, which means you can ride over uneven roads and speed bumps without worrying about the underbelly scraping. Braking is taken care of by drum brakes on both ends in the standard model, with an optional front disc brake variant for those who want extra stopping power. TVS's synchronized braking technology, SBT, comes as standard, improving safety during emergency braking by balancing brake force between the front and rear wheels. The instrument cluster is a part analog, part digital unit featuring a speedometer, fuel gauge, service reminder, and side stand indicator. It's simple, easy to read, and provides all the necessary information without distractions. You also get a USB charging port on the side, which is a great bonus for those using navigation or charging phones on the go. When it comes to utility, the Radeon scores high. It has a flat seat luggage carrier with grab rail and a large underseat area for basic tools or documents. Whether you're a student, working professional, or someone who just needs a no-nonsense bike, the Radeon delivers on practicality. Now let's talk about the price. The 2025 TVS Radeon is priced at around $72,000 to $78,000 ex-showroom, depending on the variant and features. This makes it one of the most value-for-money options in the commuter segment. It offers great mileage, low maintenance costs, and a trusted engine that can run for years with basic care. In short, the TVS Radeon 2025 is built for riders who prioritize practicality, economy, and durability. It's not flashy, it's not fast, but it gets the job done every single day. And that's exactly what a good commuter bike should do. Asterisk. That's it for today's review of the 2025 TVS Radeon. If you're thinking of buying a reliable, fuel-efficient commuter bike that won't break the bank, the Radeon is definitely worth a test ride. Asterisk, thanks for watching Bike Scout. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more two-wheeler reviews, updates, and comparisons. Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next video.